Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Yaheetech Fire Pit that they sent to me for the video review. And I have to say, it's a great product. Not only because it works great, looks awesome, but also because when you have a fire pit outside on your patio, you have like a pool or just the patio, and you're gathering with friends and family, this is a perfect thing to have. And also, and I'm going to show you this in a close-up in a few seconds, is that it also comes with a grill right here, which I think it's perfect because you can do burgers, you can do steaks, you can do marshmallows, you can do veggies, you can do many things right here with the fire pit and enjoy just the fire pit as a fire pit, but also you can use it as a grill as well. So let me actually show you in a close-up, and let's talk about the assembly process first. I have the instructions manual right here. It comes with everything you need. I was thinking about recording the assembly process, but it was so fast. I think it took me like 15 minutes. So I said, no, there's no need for record this because it's super simple. Everything is explained in here, and you're gonna take no more than 10 to 15 minutes tops, no more than that. Let me actually show you the fire pit on a close-up. So as I was saying before, it looks amazing from the outside. You're gonna see this coated paint, so meaning that it's gonna be weather resistant, so you can leave it outside if you want, which is not gonna be damaged. And then you have these handles right here, but they're also like a nice decoration. They're coated as well, and you can just take the lid out. It has a tiny handle right here with protection right here on the outside, so you can take it out. And you're gonna see that you can reveal the grill, and then you can use this to both lift the lid actually, or clean the bottom once you're done. And then the grill, and by the way, this is a 32 inches by 32 inches fire pit. You see the grill right here. So it's a really nice set of two pieces, so you can actually use it that way. And then what I really like about this one, that on the inside, kind of like below this sections right here, this kind of like lifted base, you're gonna see that there are holes, so you can actually use it to clean with this and push the ashes on the hole. So that's really nice. And I have two lugs right here, one of which is middle size, so you can actually see this size, and then what is pretty big, so you can actually see that fits as well. I really like the stars on the outside. I think it resembles kind of like a really nice decoration. And as I was saying before, you can use it as a grill. So you can put some logs and do marshmallows, or you can put some charcoal as well. And you can do steaks, you can do burgers, you can do many things. But then you put the lid out and see how nice the design is on this one. I really like it. I think it's a really nice one to get outside. It has a strong base and a strong structure, super easy to assemble. The coated paint, which is weather resistant, the grill, the lid with protection on the outside, and you can see that fits really big logs, 32 inches, great quality for sure. It's gonna be a really nice decoration and a must-have item for your patio and outdoor life. Thumbs up for sure, recommended. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.